Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team, and this is the OM system OM-3, a camera that's been designed to excel in any environment, whether you are in the city or out in nature. There are a lot of similarities feature-wise to the OM-1 Mark II, but externally this camera is very different, so let's take a look. We have a quad pixel stacked BSI CMOS sensor, which is 20 megapixels, and the TruePix X processor. This is the same sensor that's found in the OM-1 Mark II, featuring cross quad pixel AF, which gives you phase detection AF in all 4 directions with 100% autofocus coverage and 1053 AF points for unmatched accuracy and versatility. We've also got AI subject detection, including human detection, so the OM-3 will detect and track humans even in crowded scenes. It's incredibly precise, ensuring the autofocus stays locked on your subject regardless of the surrounding distractions. There's up to 7.5 stops of image stabilization and Pro Capture for continuous AF AE up to 50 frames per second and single focus for 120 frames per second. The OM-3 features a new computational photography button just on the back, which allows quick and easy access to multiple advanced computational photography modes, things such as Live ND, focus stacking, multiple exposure, and high-res shot. There's also a few more on there too. That's not the only new addition, as we also have this creative dial, which gives you access to 4 film-style color profiles and 4 monochrome profiles. These emulate the look and feel of well-known film styles, so you can give your photography a really nice, timeless aesthetic. They're also customizable, so you can really get creative and make them your own. The OM-3 is not just aimed at those who want to shoot stills, as we've got some awesome video features too. You can shoot 4K 60 and Full HD up to 120, and you've got internal 10-bit recording along with OM Log 400 and 2 new color profiles, OM Cinema 1 and 2, to give you a greater level of freedom when you grade. An S&Q dial has also been added, so you've got quick access to those modes. I've been switching between lenses today because I've also got my hands on this, the new OM system M.Zuiko 100-400mm F5.0-6.3 IS II lens. A super telephoto lens that allows handheld 1600mm shooting, 35mm equivalent when using a teleconverter. With multiple upgrades from its predecessor, this lens now features Sync IS, providing up to 7 stops of stabilization. There's a removable tripod mount and the addition of a fluorine coating on the front lens element to offer more protection from harsh environments, along with its IPX1 rating. The OM-3 is a beautiful camera, and if you like to embrace the elements in your outdoor photography, then this would be the perfect choice. With its IP53 weather sealing, it is set for extreme harsh environments because it is dustproof, freeze-proof, and splash-proof. And let's not forget, of course, that it is classic mirrorless, which means it is small and lightweight by design. So it's a lot more desirable to pack into your day bag just for a normal day out or to take traveling. Now, if you'd like to find out any more information on the OM system OM-3, then head on over to Jessops.com now, or pop into your nearest store where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. Hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and if you have, don't forget to give it a like, hit subscribe, and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all our latest content. That's it from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye!